I tell you, you cannot come in. Wait.
Oh, scan lah.
502 is here. 501. That means 506 is here. Go. Open the door. Okay, nice. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Wait. Bố à? Bố không muốn à? So dirty. Wow. So very nice. Huh? Hi guys, we just arrived at Guangzhou. It's, what time is it? I think it's 12 a.m.
No, it's not. It's 11:20.
It's 11:20 and we are going to get ourselves some dinner.
Supper.
Opposite the road there's like a market. So I think we might go there and try to get some food. No lah, this here also got. Careful, Di. You almost got hit by the motor lah. Your tummy so big. His tummy like that go out on the motor comes so fast.
Let's eat some Hai Di Lao, guys.
So cold. Oof. We're here in front of a Tai Pai Tong. Trying to figure out if we should eat this. So what? Okay, I'm gonna try the tofu. Okay. Cheers! Bro, I got a whole big down here, look. Very nice. So hot.
From someone who don't eat that's
Yeah, I want some.
high rating.
Eggplant. Let me try. Wow. Ha ha ha, big fat oyster. See. Deep. The oyster very nice, oh. Wow. You want to try or not? Huh? No, it's all in my mouth already. But you can try, I think you will like. Okay, I'm gonna try. Whoa! Whoa! Then I think this is the spicy one.
Then order lah.
Huh? It's not spicy one, the spicy one.
This one is spicy.
Bye.